In this session, we're going to look at improper and mixed fractions. We can convert between the two. An improper fraction is any fraction where the top number is bigger than the bottom number. For example, 11 over 7. 11 on the top is bigger than the 7 on the bottom, so that is improper. A proper fraction just means a normal fraction, where the bottom number is bigger than the top. A mixed fraction is made up of a whole number and a fraction as well, like 1 and a third. That would be a mixed fraction. Let's first look at converting an improper fraction to a mixed number. The steps we're going to take are to divide the top number by the bottom to get a whole number answer, and then we're going to look at what remainder we have left. For example, 15 over 4. The first thing I need to do is say how many 4s actually go into 15. 4, 8, 12. So 3. So my whole number answer would be 3. So I can write that first. So 3 4s gets me to 12, but I started with 15. So that leaves me with a remainder of 3. So I can put that as a fraction, and my bottom number stays the same. So my answer would be 3 whole ones, and then 3 over 4 left over. Now let's look at going the other way. So starting with a mixed fraction, and going to an improper fraction. The first step is to multiply the whole number part by the denominator. Add on the numerator, and then just write it as a fraction, where your bottom number stays the same. For example, 2 3/5. Multiply the whole number by the denominator, so 2 times 5 is 10. Add on the top, so there's 3 on the top, 10 add 3 is 13, so my answer would be 13 over 5. The denominator stays the same throughout. So let's look at an example of adding some mixed fractions. So if I start with 1 2/3 plus 2 1/7, I've got this equation that I need to work out. The first thing I'm going to do is convert them both to improper fractions. So 1 2/3. 1 times 3 is 3, add on the 2 is 5. 5 over 3. That's now an improper fraction. 2 1/7. 2 times 7 is 14, add the 1 is 15, so it would be 15 over 7. So I've now got 5 over 3, add 15 over 7. Remembering from a previous video, when we're adding fractions, we need the denominators to be the same. So let's think of a common number between 3 and 7. That would be 21. So let's make the bottom numbers 21. 5 over 3, with 21 on the bottom, I would need to multiply by 7. So 5 times 7 is 35. So 35 over 21. 15 over 7. To make it 21 on the bottom, I would need to multiply by 3. 15 times 3 is 45. So I've got 45 over 21. So I'm now left with 35 over 21, add 45 over 21. So I can just add the top numbers. 35 add 45 equals 80. So 80 over 21. You might want to stop there, but because my question was given to me as a mixed fraction, I'd like to make my answer a mixed fraction too. So how many 21s go into 80? 21, 42, 63. So it would be 3 whole ones, and then I need to work out how many's left. So to get from 63 to 80, it would be 17. So my final answer would be 3 and 17 over 21. Let's look at a subtraction example. I've got 3 3/7, take away 2 1/9. So let's first of all make them both improper fractions. 3 3/7 will become 3 times 7 is 21, add 3 is 24, so 24 over 7. 2 1/9 would become 2 times 9 is 18, add 1 is 19, so it would be 19 over 9. So I've now got 24 over 7, take away 19 over 9. Let's make the denominators the same. Let's use 63 this time. So my first one would become 216 over 63, and my second one would be 133 over 63. Then I just need to do my subtraction. So by taking these away, I get 83 over 63. Again, my question started out as a mixed fraction, so I want my answer to be in the same format. So 83 over 63 as a mixed fraction would become 1 and 20 over 63. The same methods will apply for multiplying and dividing when you've got mixed fractions. First convert them to improper, Then do your multiplication or your division. If you need to recap this, go find the previous video on fractions.